Okay, put the egg in. Gently.
Here,
Drop it right in there.
Put it on the spoon.
She's been doing this her whole life, Mom. Put it in, Chloe. Put the egg in. Let go. Yay!
You're overflowing, okay? Yeah.
Okay, don't. Yep. What are you doing? Is that an Easter egg? Did you start an egg yet, Emily? You gonna do it pink?
You gonna do the pink one?
Okay. Can you show us how to put it in? There we go. Nice job. Nice technique. Is it your turn, Brandon?
For you. I'm gonna put it in.
Okay, put it in.
Put your egg in the
Put it
water.
in. Whoop.
Whoop. That's a dog egg.
Dip it in. You gotta be real careful.
Did you hear Chloe?
Oh, don't. Watch out. It's gonna splash. Don't.
Honey. Yeah, there you go. He did it. He did it. Good job, Brandon.
I'll fish it out for you.
Well, you gotta leave it in there for a minute.
Oh.
Gotta wait. Okay. Yeah, get him.
Okay, I'll get it out of there.
All right. Who's ready to take their egg out? Chloe, you gonna take your egg out first?
Here's a.
Okay. Wait for Grandma to help you.
Let's see.
Oh,
Oh.
almost. A little longer.
How's yours looking? You gotta leave it in. It needs a little more.
Yeah, it's not
I think it
done.
needs a little more, don't you?
Okay.
Wow, that one's fun. I wrote her name on this one.
Okay.
Yeah. That's
I'll put it
Emily
in
made
this.
that at